Once you open up practice sets, this is what you're going to see. So we're going to go ahead and take a look. It's a fun and helpful way to work on what you're learning in school. So here we go. You can type or write out your answers by selecting the ink mode and then write your answers with your finger, mouse, trackpad, or stylus. You can check your answers. So once you have your answers in, you're going to click check. It's going to tell you if it's right or it's wrong. And you can put in another answer and check it again. And then it'll let you know. Now, you can tap the light bulb for help. This will get you quick hints. And when you get stuck on a question, you might have a video or something else that will show you information on how maybe you can solve your problem. So show your work. You can use the notepad to show how you resolved a problem. Your teacher will see snapshots of your work each time you edit the area. So now let's get started. So here's my first problem. So it's pretty simple. What is 2 plus 2 equal? So let's say we're going to show our work. So we're going to go ahead and open up this area down here so that we can show our work. So I'm going to do 2. Well, first I have to click on the inking tool to the left. And then I can click on my pen and I'm going to start writing in my work. So when I'm done, I've come up with my answer. And I'm going to go ahead, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to select the wrong answer and check it. And it's going to tell me I need to try again. So let's move up a little bit here and let's click on this light bulb, which now is going off. So I'm going to click on that light bulb. And this is a video that might be helpful to show me.
Okay, today we'll be talking about. Hey, hello, is this a mistake? What kind of title is this? Oh my, it's so long. Can we just call this Find the Missing Number and move on with our day?
So maybe that works and it doesn't. If it doesn't work for you and you need more help, go up to the top here and you're going to click on Extra Help. Extra Help is going to show you additional tools that you can use, additional videos. Once you're done, you can go over, change your answer, and check it again. So now my answer is correct, and it shows me that it's correct. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move on to the next problem. So my next problem is 1 plus 7, and I can show my work here. Again, I'm going to go down here and do 1 plus 7. And then here, I'm going to write my answer in the box. So I'm just going to write 8 and then hit check. And my answer is correct. So now that I'm all done, I get some confetti because we're excited that I finished it and I got everything right.